Okay, so here in Renderman 26 now, we want to take a look at the new material builder here and how we can solo components. Okay, I'm going to go in here to my material library and type Renderman. And we want this Renderman material builder Hydra here. Looks like this. Let's name this Snail, for example. Go into this one. Oh, so we're now inside essentially what is a subgroup. And let's create a llama surface. A llama mix, a llama conductor, and a llama diffuse, like so. And I want to connect my diffuse here to my mix here, and my mix into the material front, and my llama surface into the sub output, the conductor into material 2, and I'm just gonna go out here and assign this one. Just gonna take my snail and assign it, and there we have the diffuse on top of the conductor. Jump back into this one, and now here to solo something inside this builder node here in this version of Houdini, you can hit the X button, let's say here on the conductor, and now you can see here the visualize is now essentially soloing the conductor result only. If I want to see the diffuse result, I can look at that, but let's now here essentially go in and say I want to have a pattern and a texture, and say we want to have a Voronoi, for example. We can drop this one in here, and I want to use this as a mask here for my essentially my mix, and you can see here. But now I want to actually see here how does this one look. So I want to tweak this, and I like tweaking it in flat shaded. It's more akin to when I do it in Mario, for example. I can see it flat shaded. But now let's jump in and say a threshold. I want to have a threshold. Pixel threshold, and I'm gonna put the input RGB and the result R into the mix now instead. So we get here essentially a mix here, and I'm gonna now visualize this one. So hit X again, and now we can see here, can start to tweak the frequency. Let's say we want to have 5 in frequency, and now we can here go in and start to tweak the transition area and see here. So obviously what's white is going to be one material and what's black the other. And now let's look at the result, and now we can see here shaded or as a flat shaded, depending on where you visualize this. So this is real cool in this new version of Renderman and Houdini. So this is Renderman 26 and Houdini 20. Okay.